Subscribe to Queen Bee Paradise and hit the bell button so you won't miss the new videos from this channel. Hello friends, welcome to Queen Bee Paradise. I had recently posted a video on dressing table organization where I had shown my accessory organizer that I made using cardboard. I was so glad to know that many of you had liked my idea. I was overwhelmed to see the encouraging comments from the viewers. Thanks a lot and keep supporting me. Many of you had requested to post a video tutorial on how I made the DIY organizer. So here is a video for you. Hope you will enjoy making this organizer. Don't forget to send me a pic through email or Facebook. You can find the details in the description box. Let's get started. To make this organizer, we need some cardboard pieces to create a rectangular board. I would need a board of size 15 inches by 30 inches. It is not necessary to have a longer piece of cardboard. We can also join smaller pieces together using cello tape. I have put together 2 layers of cardboard to form a thicker board. Join both the layers of cardboards together. Now I am wrapping the board using paper to give it some extra strength. I am using old monthly calendars to wrap it. You can also use newspaper. Next step is to wrap the board with fabric. I am applying Fevicol all over the board in order to wrap it firmly. This provides extra strength to the board. I am using a cotton blouse piece. You can also use old dupattas, bed sheet or any other piece of fabric that would cover the board. The edges are stapled to provide additional strength. You would see patches of white glue now, but it would turn transparent once when dried completely, so no worries. The board is ready. Now it's time to tie rows of wires which will be useful for hanging the accessories. I am marking the points on either side of the board where I need to insert the wires. I am making holes using scissors on both the sides of the board at the marked points. I have used thin aluminium wires as they are strong, at the same time very flexible, and also they won't get rusted. I purchased this from hardware stores, but they are available online in different colors. If you wish to purchase online, please find the links for the wires and other supplies in the description box. Insert the wires into the holes and from the back side twist it well like this. You can choose to leave the extra length of the wire as such, or you can cut it out using cutting plier or even scissors. These wires are very easy to work with. For pinning up the studs and earrings, I am attaching a foam sheet at the bottom of the board. Giving a small projection to the sheet by attaching a piece of foam at the sides. Pasting only the top edge of the sheet for easy access and functionality. Stapling the top edges for additional strength. Making some holes like this so it is easy to pierce the studs without any damage. At the top of the board, I am inserting a piece of wire and twisting it to form a loop. Now the organizer is ready to be hung on the door using a over-the-door multi-hook hanger, or it can also be hung on a wall using command hooks. I am using the organizer to hang necklaces, bindis, pins, clips, earrings and studs. It's very functional and easy to access. It can also be used to organize hairbands and goggles. Hope you liked the idea shared in this video. If yes, please give me a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.